Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel, but if you are new, welcome! I'm Zina. For today's hair tutorial, we'll make this rope braided updo. So this is not a regular braid because I feel that a regular braid is very hard to make, especially upside down, so I decided we'll make a rope braid. So if you're curious to know how to make this beauty right here, please keep on watching.
We'll brush our hair nicely first, like I'm showing here, and bring all our hair backwards. And then we want to select our top section and clip it away for later. I used a hairpin, like that. And then you want to turn our head upside down, like I'm showing. Brush our hair upside down, like I'm showing too. Then you want to grab a small section of hair underneath, divide it into two, and cross around each other. And then you want to add more hair to each strand and just cross them around each other. Don't try to twist them around itself and then around each other. Just twist them around each other and add hair to each strand, like so. So want to continue these steps over and over again. Maybe it's hard to see here because anyway it's harder to film upside down, trust me, because I cannot see what I'm doing there. So you want to add hair to each strand and twist them around each other, and I'll show you on the top section so you can see everything I'm doing. So you want to continue these steps until you will reach the top section. When you are finishing this braid, make sure to twist it around each other without adding hair, so it will not unravel. And then you want to tie everything using a clear elastic, like that, so everything will stay secure. Now you want to release our top section, brush it well so we can make our braid smooth and nice. Then you want to use some oil, but this is totally optional. I like this look. Now I want to grab a small section on the top. I leave some hair out. You want to divide it into two and crease each strand around each other. Then you want to add more hair to each strand and twist them around each other. So basically you add more hair to each strand and crisscross them. Basically this is a rope braid that we are making upside down and on our top section. It's very easy, just repeat it, trust me, it will look amazing. Okay, so I want to continue until reaching our upside down braid. Of course you want to pull your hair on the top to make this poof looking top. And tie everything using an elastic. Now I'm using a donut, and basically we want to use it like an elastic because I like the look of a smaller bun. But this is totally optional because you can make here any type of bun that you like. I'll spread my hair around this donut bun and wrap it and pin it in place using grips and bobby pins. Use some hairspray if you need. And yes, you're done!
That you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, because I have here a lot of hair tutorials that, trust me, you are so curious to know how to make it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Mwah!